Hey, it's Joseph here. So today we are reviewing what's inside of this box, so let's go ahead. Okay, it's time to test this one out. Let me connect this onto my camera and then I'll have this microphone on me. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So there you go. That's been hooked up on my camera and this one is hooked up on me. So the microphone that I have up here where I use it for my regular recordings is from Fifine as well, and the model number for that is T669. And I have showcased that microphone inside of my studio setup tour in my last video, so do check that out. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. And this is going to be audio comparison between that microphone versus this new one that I have received. So this is an audio that is coming from Fifine K037B, whereas this is an audio that is coming from Fifine T669. So I'll let you guys be the judge for audio quality. However, in terms of setting it up, I have noticed this issue. So on top of my camera, when I have connected this microphone onto my camera, there was really no way to mount the receiver onto camera, so it is just sort of resting right there. So I would have appreciated at least a 1/4 inch thread or a hot shoe mount so I can just slide it in there. I'll probably end up modifying that receiver a little bit so that I can have hot shoe mounts so I can just mount onto camera without much of a problem. What I can probably do is just get one of those hot shoe mounts and just glue it onto the receiver so that I can just directly mount onto the either the tripod or the camera itself. Let me just show you that. So since this is a wireless, I can walk out of the scene without any problem. When I used to use my lav mic, I used to be tethered onto camera, so I can't really walk away from the scene. But now I can, which is a great thing. I can be further away from camera without any problem. So this one is a little thing that has a hot shoe mount down here. So I will probably end up gluing this piece onto the receiver so it can just mount onto the hot shoe. This is probably only a couple bucks off of Amazon. We'll get like 2-3 packs at once, and that will solve the problem of being it mounted on top of the camera or tripod. So that was my unboxing video of Fifine K037B and audio comparison as well. Hope you have found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for the contents that are similar to this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.